I am Walid Israin, BSHM3, Main 1. This is question number 1. How can pro-life and pro-choice groups work together? I think both sides can advocate for better support system for pregnant women, including healthcare, financial assistance, and workplace accommodations. Improving resources for expectant mothers can help them make informed and support their decisions. This is question number 2. What is true beauty? Answer is, it can be thought of as a combination of qualities such as confidence, joy, patience, truthfulness, kindness, and persistence. Question number 3. Is video gaming good or bad? Video gaming increases problem-solving skills by placing obstacles in the game for the player to overcome. But prolonged gaming sessions can contribute to healthcare issues such as eye strain and sleep disturbance. That's why gaming is not good when you get addicted. Question number 4. Are beauty contests a positive thing for young girls? Participating in beauty contests can boost confidence and public speaking skills as young girls learn to present themselves in front of an audience. Question number 5. What is the effect of media coverage on election? I think media coverage informs the public about candidates, about their platforms and key issues. This helps voters make more informed decisions at the polls. Question number 6. How do elected female officials differ from elected male? My answer is, female elected officials are often more likely to prioritize social issues such as education, healthcare, childcare, and family support. They tend to advocate for policies that address the needs of women, children, and marginalized communication. Question number 7. Does religious persecution exist? Yes, religious persecution exists and is a significant issue in various parts of the world. Religious persecution involves the mistreatment, discrimination, or violence against individuals or groups because of their religious beliefs. Question number 8. Is virtual schooling as good as in-person classes? I think virtual schooling can be highly effective and flexible option. While for others, the social interaction, structure, and hands-on learning opportunities of in-person classes are essential. Question number 9. Cell phones control our relationship? My answer is, cell phones allow for instant communication, enabling people to stay connected with friends, family, and partners regardless of distance. This can strengthen relationships, especially in long-distance relations. Question number 10. Computers are changing the way humans think. I think computers are reshaping human thinking in various ways, offering both opportunities and challenges, while they provide tools and resources that enhance problem solving, creativity, and learning.